Hello everyone, my name is Monica from Inspyr. Today I am going to discuss about Google Tag Manager to manage and deploy various types of tags on their websites without needing to modify the code directly. Tags are snippets of code that track users' interactions such as page views, clicks, from submissions and more. Examples of tag include Google Analytics tracking code, conversion tracking pixels, remarketing tags, and third-party analytics tools. Here are some key features and benefits of Google Tag Manager. So first one is centralized tag management. Google Tag Manager provides a centralized interface where you can add, edit, and also remove tags, triggers, and variables for your website without needing to edit the website's source code directly. Next, easy deployment. Once Google Tag Manager is set up on your website, you can deploy new tags and changes to existing tags quickly and easily through the Google Tag Manager interface. This can save time and reduce the dependency on developers for tag implementation. Next, version control. Google Tag Manager offers version control, allowing you to create and publish versions of your container, which contains all your tags, triggers, and variables. This makes it easier to roll back changes if needed and maintain a history of modifications. Next, built-in tag templates. Google Tag Manager provides a variety of built-in tag templates for popular services like Google Analytics, Google Ads, Facebook Pixel, and more. These templates simplify the process of adding tags and common tracking purposes. Next, customization with triggers and variables. Google Tag Manager allows you to set up triggers based on specific events or conditions on your website, such as clicks on certain elements or page URL changes. You can also define custom variables to capture and pass dynamic data to your tags. Next, debugging and preview mode. Google Tag Manager offers a built-in debugging tools and preview mode, allowing you to test and troubleshoot your tags before publishing them live on your website. And next is integration with Google Analytics. Google Tag Manager seamlessly integrates with Google Analytics, allowing you to track website interactions and user behavior effectively. So these were some of the benefits and key features of Google Tag Manager. To get started with Google Tag Manager, you will need to create an account, set up a container for your website, and install the Google Tag Manager container code on your site. From there, you can begin adding tags, triggers, and variables to track the metrics that matters to your business. So thank you all for listening to this podcast and stay tuned till the next episode.